Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before starting watching this video, please subscribe and watch to end.
U.S. property insurance costs fell in the second quarter of 2024, the first time since the third quarter of 2017. A report by Aon plc on the U.S. real estate market showed that the average cost of property insurance in the United States fell by 0.94% on a quarterly basis in the second quarter of the year, after a series of small increases over the past year. Related topics. Trump media shares hit all-time low. European stocks rise at the start of the session as the Bank of England's interest rate decision awaits. The dollar index stabilizes after touching its lowest level in more than a year. Vincent Flood, head of the company's U.S. real estate practice, said in an interview with Bloomberg that the decline in insurance costs is a cause for enthusiasm, both for companies and for clients who have suffered as a result. He added that the repeated losses suffered by some American insurance companies over the past years have affected the profitability of the sector as a whole, which has led to insurance costs rising by more than 30% in the third quarter of 2020. He pointed out that rising interest rates have contributed to the sector being exposed to more pressure as investors move away from the reinsurance market in search of alternative investments.